Hey everyone, welcome to another video, and today an unboxing and first impressions of a new Issey Miyake fragrance, L'Essel de Issey, is that how you say it? L'Essel de, I don't know. 100ml bottle, brand new, still sealed. As you can see, I've only just picked this up. Like most of them, I do believe it's refillable. Let's see there. Yeah, screw cap. So I do like the Issey Miyake line-up. Generally they're fresh scents, so I prefer more than their sort of darker stuff. You know, I'm more of a fresh, clean, citrusy kind of guy in general. So it's a bit. We'll see what this is like. It's been out a few months, I think, but I went into Boots today and I had some birthday money given me, so I was like, you know what, I'll get a couple of fragrances, and I picked up two. The next one, or the other one, will be probably the one video before this or the one after, and that's a citrusy based scent as well. So we get on to this. I've owned only maybe three, maybe four Issey Miyakes in the past, and this is a new line that they're doing. New bottle as well, not their traditional low par one. So I'll go into this. Take the wrapping off. Alright, L'Odyssey. L'Odyssey? No, L'Odyssey. I don't know how you say that exactly. So we'll get into this and what it looks like. I mean, I like the bottle. It's plain but sort of elegant as well. It's got a little bit of the L'Odyssey vibe to it. I mean, it goes to sort of like a point, like an egg, almost. You might see better there, as you see there, just the points on the sides, which is sort of like their thing. It's fatter, obviously, than the other one, and a bit different cap. So it's sort of keeping their style, but a bit different. It's nice heavy bottle, nice big chunk of glass right there. The info there on the bottom was 100ml. So light cap, but very sturdy, hard plastic. Don't mind that. General atomizer. So first impressions. I'm gonna stick this on my hand right here and see how we go. I'm expecting something that's probably still fresh, maybe unisex smelling, that sort of thing. Yeah, fresh, clean. Don't think it's using that tart yuzu, that normal yuzu that they've used a lot in their fragrances. Their fresh line, at least. I don't think it's, or maybe it is, but it doesn't smell like they're using that particular note. It's not, or if they are, it's not as like tart and like bitter. Very clean, easy to wear type of vibe coming off, you know, like summertime, wearing white t-shirt, blue jeans sort of thing. I've got a bit of a subtle herbal side to it, but very subtle. This is like, it's like it's not aquatic or like salty aquatic. Imagine like a very light aquatic scent, but without being salty. It's got that kind of vibe. Not bad. It's probably going to shine more in the summer. I'm going to test it throughout the winter as well. Have some wear-ins through it. I'm probably going to fully review this one once I've got down the bottle and I've had a bit of the warmer weather with it. See how that goes. But as of right now, just a general sort of clean, very clean, fresh, aquatic, non-salty. It just smells very clean. Like, it makes your skin almost smell like freshly washed skin, almost. It's slight sort of citrus on the top, but everything's slight. Seems to be blended really well. Can't really pick up any individual sort of note to this. This is just very light, fresh. It's almost like splashing like cold water on your face in the summer, and then you get the smell of that water as it sort of dries to the skin, and you get that waft of that. That's almost what it's like right now. Now that this is in first impressions, it can change throughout the bottle as I get down it. So it can smell different in the summer and so on. So we'll see how this goes. So far I love fresh, clean fragrances, and this one seems to be down that route. So we'll see how it goes. But as for now, just a very, very clean, fresh smelling scent. Almost like smelling fresh, clean skin with fresh, clean water. That's what it smells like. So we'll see how it goes. Leave it in the comment section if you've tried this. I mean, obviously I'm not waiting for any dry down or anything like that. It's just first spray while it comes off it's on the skin. So leave it in the comment section if you've tried this, you like it, not like it, what does it change into, you know. Happy to listen to people and see their opinion and how things progress as you go through the bottle, etc. So thanks for watching, I do appreciate it as always. Leave a comment in the comment section and got anything to say about the fragrance, and hopefully I'll see you again soon on the next unboxing.